Hello everybody, welcome back to Bizarre Repairs and Reviews. On today's video we have the Amzchef Espresso coffee machine. Let's get it unboxed and test it out. Alright, I'm very excited about this product because all I have ever drunk is coffee. If I needed a latte, I had to go to Starbucks. Or a cappuccino, I had to make a Starbucks run. I've never had an espresso machine inside of my apartment. So let's get this unboxed and check it out. So they're just getting it unboxed and unbagged. Looks very nice, cool, sleek. Got a nice chrome metal look. Very nice. These are all the components here. Your milk reservoir plate, milk reservoir, shot filter, coffee spoon, filter holder, and an extra straw, and your milk knob. Now, I didn't know what any of these things are. I had to do some research on this for sure. And I found out that it actually makes espressos, cappuccinos, and lattes. So it does all three in one. So before you get started, make sure you clean very well before you use. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and just put the milk reservoir in, and we're going to prime with water before we use. So using the water container and the milk container, going to fill with water, warm it up, and just run a little bit of water through. It will show you how to do this in the manual. And I just want to mention up top it has a cup warmer as well. Very cool. Alright, so priming for the first use, we're just going to press the espresso button one time and just go ahead and run some nice hot water through there. After that's done, we're ready for our first go through. So I went ahead and bought some whole milk. You can get whatever milk of your choice. You can also use almond milk or oat milk as well. I went ahead and went with this raw milk that I wanted to use, whole milk that is. And just go ahead and use any coffee grounds that you would like, grind them up like so, and go ahead and put that into your filter. Now this is the double shot filter of espressos, so you'll be getting a double shot here. And you can use the spoon to press the grounds down, like so. And then just go ahead and you're going to place it in and lock it into place. Now first we're going to be making an espresso, and then make it very easy and clear. For the espresso, you'll just hit the espresso button once. If you want a larger cup, press it twice. So I'm pressing once here, and we will let that beautiful espresso be made. What a nice shot there. Okay, and just like that, the espresso is done, and we're going for the taste test. And let me tell you, that was absolutely delicious, especially for the first run. Wow, you can definitely tweak it if you would like. Alright, so next up it's going to be the cappuccino time. We're going to do the same process over again. This time it's going to be with the cappuccino, which adds in the milk. So same, press the button once if you would like a small cup, and twice if you would like a larger cup. And you can see the milk pour right in, nice warm milk. Popping right in there. It gets the consistency the way you want, and you can adjust the consistency too in the settings. Okay, now that the milk portion is done, next up will be the coffee dripping right into the milk. And you can see the milk froth right on top. That looks very nice. Alright, and for the taste test again. Woo, gotta say, very, very, very tasty, my friend. Okay, and on to round 3, the latte. Same thing, over again. We'll put the cup back down below, hit the latte button once, twice this time for a larger cup. So I pressed it twice. I want to see how large the cup will be. This should fill all the way to the brim. And this pours in more of the milk as well. And just a note too, there is a manual setting as well. If you would like more froth, you could do a manual froth as well. This thing has it all. So as you can see, there's definitely more milk in this cup, almost 90% full of whole milk froth there. And then it's going to go ahead and drop in the coffee or an espresso right on the top. And just like that, it's filled pretty much to the brim. Let's get another taste test in. Oh, wow. Nice and frothy. Quite delicious. And it's not bad for the first time, especially after a couple tweaks. And last but not least, I just want to let you guys know that there's also a cleaning function on this as well that you want to run too. So it has a built-in cleaning function. When you're done, you just press and hold the latte button for 3 seconds and it will clean the device as well. Exactly what you want when you have milk running through. You want to make sure that it's nice and clean always. Well, everybody, thank you so much for watching. That was the Amzchef Espresso coffee machine. Fantastic device. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.